Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Good
Good
morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
Good
Morning.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning. आराध्या
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ चलो रीड करो तो क्राउन ऑफ ट्री.
Yes, ma'am. Crown of tree.
हाँ
The crown of woody plants, tree, shrubs includes branches, twigs, and leaves extending from the trunk or the main stem. The shape of the crown of the trees has a lot to do with where it is located. If a tree is located nearer to the equator, the noontime sun is almost directly overhead all the year round. Tall trees. Tall trees where flat tree tops or crowns are very common in the part of the world because the flat shape helps expose more of their leaves to the direct overhead sunlight. Up near the Arctic Circle, the sun is never directly overhead head and is usually quite low in the sky. Trees in the part of the world tend to be cone shaped, like the pine trees. These helps their leaves from the top of the tree to its bottom to make the most of the available sunlight. Finally, many trees like spruce, pines, and fir trees near the Arctic circles have leaves modified to form needles. This is partly because needles are especially adapted to cold, dry climates, and the leaves needles tend to retain water better than broad-leaved trees like oaks and maples.
Sakti 7F. You read crown of
Ma'am.
tree.
Crown of trees. The crown of woody plants like plants, trees, shrubs includes branches, twigs, and leaves extending from trunk or the main streams. The shape of crowns of trees has lot to do with where it is located. If a tree is located nearer to the equator, the noontime sun is almost directly overhead all the year round. Tall trees with flat tree tops or crowns are very common in this part of the world because the flat shape helps expose more of their leaves to the direct overhead sunlight up near the Arctic Circle. The sun is never directly overhead and is usually quite low in the sky. Trees in this part of the world tend to be cone shaped like the pine trees. This help their leaves from the top of the tree to its bottom to make the most of available sunlight. Finally, many of trees like spruce, pines, and fir trees near the Arctic Circle have leaves modified to form needles. This is partly because needles are especially adapted to cold, dry climates and leaf needles tend to the retain water and better than broad-leafed trees like oaks and maples.
हाँ very good. Aditya
Ma'am,
read it.
crown of trees. The
हाँ
crown of woody plants, trees, shrubs includes branches, twigs, and leaves extending from the trunk or the main stems. The shape of the crowns of trees has lot to do with where it is located. If a tree is located near to the equator, the noon time is almost directly overhead all year round. Tall trees with tree tops or crowns are very common in this part of the world because the flat shape helps expose more their leaves to direct overhead sunlight. Up near the equator Arctic circle, the sun is never directly overhead and usually quite low in the sky. Trees in this part of the world tend to be cone shaped like the pine trees. This helps their leaves from the top of the tree to its bottom to make the most of the level sunlight. Finally, many of the trees like spruce, pines, and fir trees near the Arctic Circle have leaves modified to from needles. This is partly because needles are especially adapted to cold, dry climate,
गुड
and leaf
मॉर्निंग, गुड
needles
मॉर्निंग। तुम
tend
लोग अभी
to
सो करके उठे हो ना? हाँ, बहुत साले अभी तक ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं लोग। हाँ,
ज्वाइन नहीं हो पा रहा था उतने देर से।
ज्वाइन नहीं हो पा रहा था।
यस
अब
मैम।
तो बस ज्वाइन ही करवा रहे हैं। देखो, चलो नेक्स्ट फहाद अहमद 7A। फहाद रीड।
मैम crown of trees से
हाँ हाँ,
the crown of woody plant trees shrub include branches, twigs, and leaves extending from trunk or main stem. The shape of crown of trees has lot to do with where it is located. If a tree is located near to the equator, the noon time sun is almost directly over it all the year round. The tall trees with flat tree tops or crowns are very common in this part of the world because the flat shape help expose more of their leaves to direct overhead sunlight. Up the near Arctic Circle, the sun is never
स्टॉप। अपूर्वा, नो। सिद्धि, यू।
यस मैम, वो अनम्यूट नहीं हो रहा
हाँ।
था।
Yes, ma'am.
यस मैम। क्राउन ऑफ ट्रीज, द क्राउन ऑफ
हाँ।
woody plants, trees, shrubs include branches, twigs, and leaves extending from the trunk or the main stems. The shape of the crown of trees has a lot to do with where it is located. If a tree is located nearer to the equator, the noontime sun is almost directly overhead all the year round. Tall trees with flat tree tops or crowns are very common in this part of the world because the flat shape helps expose more of their leaves to the direct overhead sunlight. Up the Arctic Circle, the sun is never directly overhead and is usually quite low in the sky. Trees in this part of the world tend to be cone-shaped like pine trees. This helps their trees from the top to the tree to its bottom to make the most of the available sunlight. Finally, many of the trees like spruce, pines, fire trees near the Arctic Circle have leaves modified to form needles. This is partly because needles are especially adapted to cold, dry climate, and the leaf needles tend to retain water better than broad-leaved trees like oaks and maples.
हाँ, वेरी गुड। नेक्स्ट आसना, कैन यू रीड 7G? सौम्या, श्रेया। हाँ, तुम लोग रीड करो जब तक सभी ऐड हो जाते हैं। ऐड कर रहे हैं उन लोगों को, तब फिर पढ़ाते हैं।
मैम आप इतना रीड करवाई ना मैम, 5-6 बार रीड हो गया, पैरा ही समझ में आ गया।
देखो रीडिंग का ये इम्पोर्टेंस है
यस मैम।
अर्ली मॉर्निंग में रीडिंग, सब चीज का रीडिंग करना चाहिए, जैसे फ्लुएंसी भी बेटर होगा, है ना, and you will able to write the question answer by their own, without any help of teacher and parents. Aditya,
Yes, ma'am.
Aditya, start reading from up near the Arctic Circle.
Okay, ma'am. Up near the Arctic Circle, the sun is never directly overhead and is usually quite low in the sky. Trees in this part of world tend to be cone shaped like the pine trees. This helps their leaves from the top of the tree to its bottom to make the most of the available sunlight. Finally, many of the trees like spruce, pines, and fir trees near the Arctic Circle have leaves modified to form needles. This is partly because needles are especially adapted to cold, dry climates, and leaf needles tend to retain water better than both leafed trees like oaks and maples.
Very good.
Thank you, ma'am.
The crown of woody plant trees serve include branches, twigs, and leaves extending from the trunk or the main stem. What branch that is extend from the main stem? Branch is twig, टहनी, छोटा small tree, a small branch, and leaves extending from their trunk. Main part of tree is not
Trunk.
it is trunk. This makes the crown. Branches, twig, that is extending from the trunk. These makes the crown. So, what type of crown may be of a tree that depend upon the climatic condition of the tree. Climatic condition of that particular area responsible for making the crown of tree. Shape of the tree, shape of the crown of tree is very much depend upon on its location. As you can see, I have drawn the two type of crown. One is in the round shape, other having the triangular shape. All of you are knowing where the plant present in the triangular shape.
Ma'am, in hilly
Where?
areas.
Ma'am,
Ma'am, in
yes.
hilly areas.
Hilly area.
Ma'am, in high
Where there is
altitude area.
water do not drop, snow drops, and snow drops and sunshine very little in that area. For receiving the sunlight, branches are arranged in such a manner so that leaf can receive the maximum amount of sunlight. And that's why the lowest branch are bigger in size. As we rise up, as the plant grow up, the branches are smaller and smaller, so all the leaves can take the maximum amount of sunlight. And that's why you can see in hilly areas, trees are conical in shape. Whenever ice fall on the tree, it easily slide down. It can't remain on the tree crown on the tree. If this conical shape is present, then the eyes will not remain on the plant. And that's why hilly areas trees having cone shaped. This help the tree living better adaptation to that particular area. Shape of the crown, shape of the tree which having the round in shape. It is located near the equator. And the what climatic condition present in the equator? All of you are knowing the sun is overhead whole year. है ना?
Very hot.
On the equator,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
sun
ma'am.
is overhead
Ma'am,
whole
midday
the year.
sun.
बोलो
Ma'am,
बोलो.
midday sun.
हाँ, midday overhead और पूरे मतलब whole year जो है sunlight present है कि नहीं? Due to sunlight,
Yes,
इक्वेटर में
ma'am.
सनलाइट है बेटा वो और रेनी भी हाई तुम लोग पढ़े हो एडाप्टेशन चैप्टर में कि रेनिंग इज आल्सो मैक्सिमम एवरी डे ईच एंड एवरी डे आफ्टर 3 o'clock raining takes place there, and that's why there is dense forest. All the dense forests are located near the equator. Name 2 dense forests that is located near the equator.
Amazon.
Amazon. Amazon. That is located near the
Brazil.
Equator.
Equator.
So what is the condition? What is the shape of the tree? Tall tree.
Ma'am, round shape.
Ma'am, tall and dense. Ma'am,
round
tall
shape.
and dense.
Tall and dense. They are receiving maximum sunlight and maximum water, so they are tall and dense. Because there is competition between the trees for receiving the sunlight. There are dense forests now. That's why there is competition between the trees for receiving the sunlight. So they are very tall, about 40 and 50 feet in length. The trees are present on the equator having length 40 and 50 feet. What condition their tree have? The tall tree with flat tree top. They are very common in this part of world because the flat shape help expose the more of the leaf to direct overhead the sunlight, and that's why their shape crown is round. Quite low in the sky, very slanting line. Slanting rays reaches up near the Arctic Circle, and trees in this part of the world tend to become cone-shaped like the pine tree. This helps the leaves of the tree to receive maximum sunlight. Suppose that this branch is longer in nature, it can receive the sunlight, and as we go up in the length, then the size of the branches become shorter and shorter. This gives rise the cone shape, and in this way, plant receive maximum sunlight, leaf receive maximum sunlight for the photosynthesis, and the eyes can't stay on the crown and can't damage to the pine tree and other tree which are present in the Arctic Circle. Finally, many of the trees like the spruce, pine, fir tree near the Arctic Circle having leaves modified to form needle. Needle, this is partially because needle are especially adapted to the cold and dry climates. All of you have a study.
Desert also, na?
And if the leaf are get converted into a spine-like structure, there is no transpiration takes place. Climatic condition is cold and dry, and that's why plants should have water for their use. If the general leaves is there, then the transpiration will take place, and that's why for controlling the transpiration, the leaf converted into needle-like structure. A needle tend to retain the कौन है ये मनुराज? अभी तक ज्वाइन कर रहा है। हम उतनी देर तक रीडिंग करवाए, लेकिन ये लोग अभी तक ज्वाइन कर रहे हैं। एकदम 5 मिनट्स 5 मिनट्स पहले रेडी हो जाना है ज्वाइन करने के लिए।
लेट करता है क्लास।
Importance of forest. Forests play a vital role in social, cultural, and historical, economical, and industrial development of the many countries. They are very important for maintaining the ecological balance. If the forests are present, ecological balance will be maintained. There is a proverb. What proverb? बनों के हैं 3 उपकार. बनों के हैं 3 उपकार. मिट्टी, पानी और बयार. उपकार पता है ना? उपकार.
Yes, ma'am.
हाँ, proverb है कि बनों के हैं.
मैम बयार मतलब?
बताते हैं. अच्छा सुनो ना, बनों के हैं 3 उपकार. 3 उपकार. और मिट्टी, सॉइल, और पानी, वाटर, है ना? पानी, वाटर. अब बयार मीन्स हवा, एयर.
Air, oxygen.
Air, oxygen. And that all 3 things are useful and supporting.
It is useful and important for living.
And they are necessary for the survival of the tree.
Supporting things of the living organism. If the soil is not present, where the plant anchor themselves, how the plant will get the water and mineral? So soil is
how we
important.
grow the crops?
How will grow the crops? For growing crops, it is also
Good morning,
important. Pani. All of you are knowing how the forest recharge the
Without water, we can't
level.
survive for more than 2
we
to
can't
3
survive
days.
without forest. Without water, we can't survive. And it is the forest that help in recharging the underground water. It is the forest that bring the cloud. It is the forest that give the suitable temperature for precipitation of the water vapor into water droplets. And so the forest is very important for us. And it is the forest that give out life-supporting air, that is the oxygen. And it is the forest that absorb the carbon dioxide that polluting our environment. It is the forest that makes our environment clean. You know, forest is the very good absorber of sound. And that's why it is it makes the atmosphere free from sound pollution. that is very dangerous for us.
Ma'am, can you explain it how?
It absorb beta. It absorb, having some mechanism so that plant absorb the sound, and that's why in the ancient India or Asian people having the very long pinna, because there that time there were dense forests, and the pinna having the function of collection the sound, but now our atmosphere is full of sound. And
पिन्ना मतलब
ये पिन्ना, एक्सटर्नल ईयर को पिन्ना कहते हैं बेटा, ये एक्सटर्नल ईयर को पिन्ना कहते हैं, और ये बड़ा बड़ा होता था पहले जमाने में, पहले बहुत साल पहले, करोड़ों वर्ष जब मतलब स्टार्टिंग हुआ लाइफ का।
तो छोटा क्यों हो गया?
इतना बड़ा होता था इसलिए कि जो साउंड बोलते थे लोग, वो फॉरेस्ट था वहां, ऑब्जर्व कर लेता था फॉरेस्ट साउंड को, तो इसलिए इसको कलेक्शन के लिए इसको लॉन्ग होना पड़ता था। लेकिन अब जो है फॉरेस्ट का तो हम लोग ने क्लियर कर दिया है, किसके लिए? अपने फुलफिलिंग आवर सेल्फिशनेस। और फॉरेस्ट नहीं है तो अब जो है पिन्ना का भी जरूरत नहीं है। कहाँ वो साउंड डिसअपियर ही नहीं हो रहा है, साउंड तो हमारे एटमॉस्फेयर में ही रह जा रहा है और पॉल्यूट कर रहा है और मेंटल डिसऑर्डर कर रहा है। पहले मेंटल डिसऑर्डर का केस जो था, लेस स्लीपिंग का केस जो था, वो सिर्फ अमेरिका में, नॉर्थ अमेरिका में था, लेकिन डेवलपमेंट के साथ साथ वो हमारे यहाँ भी।
मैम यू आर म्यूट।
You are mute.
नाउ
आ रहा है आवाज आपका?
अब नहीं, इंटरनेट डिस्टर्ब हो जाता है बेटा, इंटरनेट यही ना, ऑनलाइन में हम लोग को किसी तरह से एनी हाउ सरवाइव करना। खैर हम लोग का सारा चैप्टर ही खत्म हो गया है ऑफलाइन में ही। नहीं
मैम, जितना भी इम्पोर्टेंट चैप्टर खत्म हो गया।
यस मैम,
सारा इम्पोर्टेंट। अब ये तो लास्ट चैप्टर है, फॉरेस्ट तो लास्ट चैप्टर है। अब तुम लोग अपना भेजना, सेंड करना कि कौन कौन सा चैप्टर रिपीट करेंगे, स्टार्टिंग से रिपीट कैसे करेंगे। अब चलो पहले क्वेश्चन आंसर स्टार्ट कर लो। हाँ बोलो बेटा।
मैम हम लोगों को ना मिला था, हम लोग को आज अरविंद सर भेजे कि फर्स्ट टर्म का कौन कौन सा चैप्टर जाएगा, तो मैम आप फर्स्ट टर्म्स का वो रिवीजन करवा दीजिएगा।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, मेरे पास भी आया है और वो हम सेंड कर देंगे बेटा, और वही सब रिवीजन करवा देंगे।
हम लोग के ग्रुप में नहीं आया है।
अच्छा हम सेंड कर देंगे। हाँ ठीक है, ठीक है
मैम। आप चैप्टर 5 रिपीट करा सकती हैं, हीट चैप्टर।
हाँ ठीक है, वो सारे चैप्टर जो है ना वो हम रिपीट कर देंगे, सारे चैप्टर को रिपीट। इतना सारा समय है हम लोग के पास।
12 और 13 रिपीट कर देंगे।
हाँ चलिए,
लाइट रिपीट कर देंगे, चैप्टर लाइट।
अच्छा ठीक है, देखते हैं लाइट अगर है पोर्शन में रिपीट कर देंगे, बिल्कुल रिपीट करेंगे जितना बार कहो।
हम 12 13 रिपीट कर दीजिए।
हाँ ठीक है, ठीक है सबको। अब क्या करना है, अब रिपीट करना है ना?
मैम अभी ये चैप्टर पढ़ा दीजिए।
हाँ ये चैप्टर पहले फिनिश हो जाने दो। Forests are habitat for living organisms and are a storehouse of biodiversity. Many living animals are living there.
storehouse of biodiversity
मतलब बहुत सारे एनिमल उसमें रहते हैं ना, तो स्टोर हुआ ना, वहाँ बहुत सारे स्पीसीज जो है, प्लांट के स्पीसीज वहाँ प्रिजर्व है। बहुत सारे एनिमल्स स्पीसीज प्रिजर्व देयर, बहुत सारा एनिमल्स फॉरेस्ट में है, वहाँ है, तो वो स्टोर हाउस हो गया। बायोडाइवर्सिटी माने बायो मतलब लिविंग ऑर्गेनिज्म, बहुत सारे फर्न, डिफरेंट वेराइटी ऑफ फर्न, डिफरेंट वेराइटी ऑफ बुशेस, ट्रीज are preserved in the forest.
Yes ma'am.
ठीक?
Yes ma'am.
हाँ, biodiversity means bio means living, a diverse and different variety of living organisms, है ना? तो stored out house of biodiversity. Next, practices such as agriculture and animal husbandry. Agriculture, farming, and animal husbandry, rearing and caring of animals, that is known as animal husbandry, are depend upon the forest and the forest land. Forests maintain and improve the moisture contents of the atmosphere. This help in determining the rainfall in an area, in any or an area. It is the forest that maintain, improve the moisture contents of the atmosphere by transpiration. है ना? If temperature is too much high at any areas, then transpiration of the plant taken place, and this moisture, whatever water vapor come out from the plant, that maintain the moisture of that area, and it determine the rainfall in an area. If the temperature is maintained, their precipitation takes place, and due to precipitation, raining takes place. That's why forest maintain the temperature as well as determine the rainfall of any areas. Forests provide clean air as they are reservoir of life-giving oxygen. They help in maintain the oxygen and carbon dioxide ratio in the atmosphere by the respiration process and by the photosynthesis process.
मैम
They are हाँ
मैम अभी एटमॉस्फेयर में कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड और ऑक्सीजन का रेशियो क्या है?
अभी तो हमको पता नहीं है, ये डिपेंड करता है कि किस एरिया का पूछ रहे हो, बोलो
मैम
ये डिपेंड अपन पटना का, तो पटना का कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का रेशियो तो 0.03% होगा, ज्यादा ही होगा, 0.03 से ज्यादा ही होगा, पॉल्यूशन तो ज्यादा ही है ही, और वही मुजफ्फरपुर का तो कम होगा। क्यों? क्योंकि वहां जो क्या है, ट्रीज ज्यादा है। जस्ट पटना के उस तरफ चले जाने पर, हाजीपुर ही जाने से एकदम एटमॉस्फेयर क्लीन लगने लगता है, और एकदम पूरा एटमॉस्फेयर जो है काम शांत एकदम अच्छा लगने लगता है। क्यों? क्योंकि वहां प्लांट है, साउंड ऑब्जर्वर, हाँ फ्रेशनेस, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड ऑब्जर्वर, तो ये तो एग्जैक्ट कितना है तो ये तो हमको नहीं पता है, हम तो उसको मेजर नहीं कर रहे हैं। देगा वेदर रिपोर्ट ओपन करके देखना क्लास के बाद कि हाउ मच कंसंट्रेशन, हाँ गूगल पे दे देगा। हाँ बोलो
मैम, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के कारण पॉल्यूशन होता है।
कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड से
कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड के कारण मैम पॉल्यूशन होता है।
बहुत सारे मीथेन है, कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड है, तुम्हारा क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन है, ये जो फ्रिज से और एसी से निकलता है क्लोरोफ्लोरोकार्बन, क्रियॉन्स, ये सभी पॉल्यूट कर रहे हैं इन्वायरमेंट को। केवल कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड चूंकि देखो गैस जला तो कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड, यहाँ ना गैस जला तो लेस अमाउंट कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का प्रोड्यूस होगा, लेकिन अभी भी गांव में मालूम है क्या जलता है बताओ?
मैम चूल्हा जलता है।
हाँ चूल्हा जलता है, और जिसमें जो है वुड जलता है, और रेस्ट ऑफ द एनिमल, एनिमल्स का रेस्ट पार्ट जो है ना वो जलता है। हाँ बोन फायर। अब तो ये अच्छा गांव में
जलता है किरासन तेल से।
अच्छा गांव में फिर भी ठीक है, शहर में रोड पर तो कभी इतना ट्रैफिक नहीं होता था। अब जो है पटना का ट्रैफिक जो है वो कितना ज्यादा है। क्यों? लार्ज नंबर ऑफ व्हीकल दैट इज प्रोड्यूसिंग लार्ज अमाउंट that is producing large amount of carbon
Population.
dioxide and nitrogen oxide also. So these are polluting our atmosphere. Well, forests provide clean air as they are reservoir of oxygen giving living organisms. है ना? They give out oxygen. And that's why it is the reservoir of life-giving oxygen. They are therefore rightly known as lungs of earth. All of you have studied which is the lungs of earth? Amazon
Ma'am,
forest.
forests are the lungs of earth.
jungle.
Amazon forest is the lungs of earth. Now, next.
ब्राजील में ना
Forest
मैम, वो
produce.
ब्राजील में।
क्या बोलो?
मैम वो ब्राजील में ना अमेजन फॉरेस्ट।
ब्राजील अमेजन रिवर के पास है। अब देखो तुम लोग हम
मैम वो ब्राजील में कवर करता है, पेरू, इक्वेडर, ये सब में है।
ब्राजील, पेरू ये सब कवर करता है।
पेरू, इक्वेडर।
अमेजन जहां जहां तक है वो अमेजन रिवर के वजह से वहां जो है और वो फॉरेस्ट डेवलप है। तो जितनी लंबी जो है ना, जितना लंबा जो है लेंथ उसका अमेजन रिवर का है, उसी को सराउंड किए हुए है अमेजन फॉरेस्ट। ये नेक्स्ट, फॉरेस्ट प्रोड्यूस ह्यूमस एंड मेंटेन द सॉइल फर्टिलिटी। It produce humus. As you are knowing ki what is humus? Organic matter of the soil is
decomposed organic matter.
Decomposed organic matter. Very good. Decomposed organic matter. Whatever litter of the plants and animals, leaf that fall on the forest floor, branches that fall on the forest floor, and the animal droppings. All are decomposed with the help of bacteria and fungi, and after decomposition they return to the soil. In this way they maintain the fertility of the soil, and that's why forests produce humus and maintain soil fertility. Forests are natural absorber of rainwater because of thick humus layer. Loose soil and the soil retaining power of the tree root. Forests are important for maintaining and regulating the water flow to the lower layer of the soil. When the raining takes place, what happens? Along with the root of the trees, all the water seep down into the soil. In this way, there is recharging of underground water, and the moisture of the soil is also contained. Moisture of the soil is also maintained. है ना? Soil should have moisture now for supporting the life, for growing the plant. So forests are present in areas that the moisture of the soil will be maintained.
Your voice is not coming.
My voice is not coming.
No, ma'am, it's clear.
It's clear.
It's clear and coming.
And now, most important thing, forests also reduce the speed of strong winds and trap dust and gases. It also reduces the speed